Student, in this exercise, we are going to use circle command and polar array. Along with this, we'll also use fillet command to create this exercise. If you look at very carefully, this is your complete exercise where quarter part of it is replicated by 4 times about the axis perpendicular to the screen, right? So first we are going to draw this circle, then we are going to draw this circle, okay, like this. Then we offset this line, and similarly over here, then we'll draw this and we'll trim out unnecessary part. Then we are going to provide the radius through fillet command, similarly on this side and this side. After that, we are going to draw this line by 2 mm and vertically downward by 10 mm. Similarly here we are going to draw for 2 mm, then we are going to draw this by 10 mm, right? Then we have to draw this circle by 10 millimeter radius, okay? Then we'll trim out the unnecessary part, and after that we are going to we are going to polar array this part and this inner part around 4 times to complete this exercise. So let's see in AutoCAD how to draw this exercise. Now students, let's draw a circle first having diameter. Here it is radius 70, so diameter is 140. You can use radius option, no problem. Then I will draw another circle having radius 60. Then I will use center line options like this. Make sure the ortho mode is on. Similarly draw a horizontal line like this, okay. Now let's draw inner circle on a zero layer with the same center having radius 30 as given, okay. Now let's offset this center line. So choose offset command and enter 10 distance. So left side and upper side. Now let's use match command, match property command to convert this center line. Sorry, let's say this one into this and this, okay. Now let's trim out unnecessary part. Like this, okay, because we want to replicate it. You can delete unnecessary part. Now please do save your drawings. Now let's draw the fillet. Right click radius. Here the radius is 8. Now choose multiple options so that we can continue with the fillet command. Otherwise you have to restart your fillet command 4 times, right? Now let's try to draw the inner part. Here the dimensions is given, let's say the radius is 10. So let's draw the radius C space by circle command, okay. Now let's draw the line. So from here vertical is 20 and on the left side it is 4. So move downward up to this. Similarly draw a line from here, it is 20 and upward it is 4, and try to match it over here. Now let's trim out unnecessary part, okay. I think I made a mistake. Radius is 10, okay. Now let's trim out the part, TR space, this part, this part, this part. Be careful, okay. This is how we are going to create this geometry. Now let's save it and try to the polar array the parts. So go to array and choose polar options. Now carefully select the part you want to array. So here highlighted part will get arrayed. So right click, select the center. Now here we have to choose 4 part. And please make sure the fill angle is 360. It means it divide the 360 angle by number of items, that is 4. So in between two items you are going to get 90 degree. So close this command. This is how you can complete your exercise. Student, in this exercise 2.5, let's discuss how to complete this. First we are going to draw this horizontal line by given dimensions. We are going to draw vertical line of 46 millimeter, then by 6 millimeter. Then we are going to draw this line 12. After that we'll start again line command and we'll leave the dimension by 42 millimeter. Then again start from this point to in a right direction by 6 millimeter. Then we'll move downward and we'll drag this line to meet over here. Now to draw this, if you look at very carefully, this is 90 degree, so it is but obvious this is going to be 45 degree, right? So we can draw a line inclined at 45 degree by certain unit length. Then we'll also draw a line which will cross the previous line at this point at a 45 degree. Then we'll trim it out. After that, this junction point we have to draw the line of 10 units by offsetting 5 mm left side and 5 mm right side. Similarly, go up by 5 mm to meet this point and we'll trim out the inner part. After that, we are going to draw the center line at a distance of 30. Then we'll draw the hidden line for the diameter of 20. Now let's see how to draw this exercise in AutoCAD. So first draw a line of 114 millimeter. Then go by 12 millimeter. Then draw a line of 46 millimeter vertically. Then of 6 millimeter on a right side. Okay. Now close the line command, initiate line command once again, and from here track it by 42 millimeter, go on the right side by 6 millimeter and bring it down the line and track this point over here. Now complete the part. Now let's draw another line. Here turn off the ortho mode. As we understood in PowerPoint slide, we have to draw this line at 45 degree, right? So I will enter 40 dimensions. Similarly, I will draw a line of given unit, but the angle is important. Okay. Now let's trim unnecessary part, this part and this part. Now let's draw the line. From here it will be 5. Initiate the ortho mode and enter the 10 and move vertically 5. Similarly, from here vertically 5. Now let's zoom in and trim the part, this part and this part. Okay. Now let's draw the center line and other remaining geometry. So initiate the center line layer. From here it is 30. Now let it move little bit upward like this. Now let's offset it by 10 millimeter. O space 10 dimensions like this, like this. Now select that part. Before that, let's trim it. Okay. Select this part, select this part and drop it to the hidden line. So this is how you can draw the given exercise. You can also draw here, over here, you can also draw the square at an angle of 45 degrees. So you will have a geometry like this and you can trim it up. So there is another alternative. So I hope students you are clear how to complete this exercise.